We are going to Florida, and right now we're packing and getting everything in the car. So yeah, we're just packing. Look, Malu. Say hey.
Hey, I think Diana.
What?
The Diana.
So and we're just waiting on everybody to get packed so we can leave, so we get there on time to check in at the hotel and stuff. So yeah, my braids hurt. But yeah, we're just waiting on everybody else in the house.
Cause my braids hurt too.
What, Malu?
My braids hurt too.
But Chip. But yeah. Oh, I'll see you guys when we get settled in the car and everything is packed. Racetrack, made a little stop, and we're just getting gas and ways to stuff. Don't. We were shaking. We just made a little stop because it's just. I am hurting so bad. Ma. We made it to Panama, and we're at the little house right now. I'm sitting outside, and right now we're going to Walmart and get some more stuff for the room, and probably soon after, because we're not really gonna do nothing because it's late. So we're gonna be going to Walmart and get some more stuff, and then. This is the bedroom. Putting right on the tub. And this is another room. It's a twin bed. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this video right here because we didn't do anything today. So we are going to bed. Good night. And I will see you guys tomorrow when we end up doing something.
What's up?